Hello, and it's certainly been another exciting day in markets. However, it's getting interesting. It looks as though, I've been sort of saying to clients perhaps around 15 Tomahawk cruise missile attack on Syria seems imminent. I think that's consensus now. It's terrible to talk about those things in this manner, but that's what we have to do because we have exposures in the market. However, it's looking like gold and oil might have topped for now. So that might be it for gold and oil. They may have already, those markets, they've come a long way. They might have already, fully priced a Tomahawk attack, and it would in fact take a further escalation for things to go beyond that. So for the moment, I think if you are long gold and oil, and we've certainly been bullish for some time, just on a short-term basis, it might be worth taking some profits. Looks bullish further out after that. In terms of the stock market, has it fallen enough? I mean, some stocks will be affected by oil being 10% higher, some oil prices, some stocks won't be affected at all. So given that the market's already sold off several percent, I'd say this is a sell-off that's overdone on the basis that oil prices are going to remain relatively higher than what they were now going forward, with or without an escalation in Syria. Of course, if the Middle East whole situation went awry, you'd get another massive boost up in oil prices, but I don't think we're going to see that. I think we're going to see a very contained conflict, and I think the United States will be very careful about making it highly clear and delineated, if you like, about just what the involvement will be. So I think we're going to see, perhaps in the stock market, another sell-off when there is an attack, a missile attack, when that is confirmed, but that would probably be the absolute low for stock markets, perhaps for the rest of this year. The low may take 2 or 3 days to occur, but I tend to think it's going to occur within 12 to 18 hours of the actual attack, because after about 12 to 18 hours, there'll be a lot of speeches about how that's it for now. Hopefully Syria has learned its lesson, and Syria cannot cross the line again, and that will see markets sort of think to themselves, well, things have been sold off way too much, lots of bargains to be had, let's climb back in. So that's my view on the market at the moment, and I suggest getting ahead of that, buying steadily stocks today. We've seen some stabilization in stocks today. First a sell-off, but then some stabilization. I like buying here. I wouldn't jump in boots and all, but I like buying here. And I think we're still in a grand bull market. So the long-term outlook looks good. And Syria, in a way, if you like the tragic events there, really just creating an opportunity to invest for the longer term at better prices. Thank you.